Today we're going to talk about the car that ignited the first flame of muscle cars, and yet somehow it got lost in the shuffle, and rarely anyone talks about it anymore. We're talking, of course, about the Pontiac GTO. In the early 1960s, high-performance vehicles were often luxury-oriented, expensive, and inaccessible to the average car buyer. The GTO's debut in 1964 is often credited with popularizing the muscle car segment by offering a big V8 engine in a mid-sized affordable car. The GTO broke that mold and paved the way for other iconic muscle cars like the Chevrolet Chevelle SS, the Ford Mustang, and even the Dodge Charger. Historians and enthusiasts typically credit the GTO's inception to Pontiac's John DeLorean and its subsequent success defined the muscle car formula. The car's combination of affordability, power, and street presence reshaped the market and set the stage for the muscle car wars that dominated the 1960s and early 1970s. After its golden years in the 1960s, the Pontiac GTO saw a shift in the early 1970s as American automakers contended with stricter emission standards, higher insurance rates, and the gas shortage. In 1974, Pontiac moved the GTO to the smaller Ventura platform, and though it retained the name, the car was a far cry from its earlier powerhouse days. This generation was short-lived, and the GTO name was retired in 1974, ending the muscle car's legacy temporarily. However, in 2004, Pontiac revived the GTO by adapting Australia's Holden Monaro. This modern GTO boasted a potent LS1 V8 engine, and later an LS2, putting it in line with true muscle car performance. While it delivered in horsepower and had a sleek, minimalist design, it didn't quite match the spirit and raw appeal of the original. Lacking the aggressive styling that audiences expected, it saw moderate success before being discontinued in 2006. The GTO's comeback coincided with Pontiac's own struggle for identity within General Motors. By the late 2000s, Pontiac was seeing diminishing sales, and GM was forced to make difficult cuts during its restructuring after the 2008 financial crisis. In 2010, Pontiac was officially phased out, marking the end of an era for Pontiac performance enthusiasts. The GTO remains iconic for sparking a muscle car legacy that endures among fans, while its final years serve as a reminder of changing times in the automotive industry. Enthusiasts continue to keep the spirit of the GTO alive, a symbol of Pontiac's bold vision and innovation that has inspired generations. What are your thoughts on the GTO and its legacy? Do you think it can make a comeback in today's world, or is its legacy best left untouched? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time.